Welcome to Insider Trading Community. Let's understand the basics of stock market today. The stock market is a marketplace where stocks, which represent ownership in a company, are bought and sold. When an individual or a company wants to raise capital, they can issue stocks and sell them to the public. These stocks are then traded on the stock market, and their price can fluctuate based on supply and demand. Here are some basic concepts of the stock market. Stocks, also known as equities, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you own a small piece of the company and have a claim on its assets and profits. Stock exchanges. The stock market is a network of exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, NASDAQ, NSE, National Stock Exchange, and the BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, where stocks are traded. Bull market. A bull market is a market characterized by rising prices and optimistic investor sentiment. This type of market is seen as a positive sign for the economy. Bear market. A bear market is a market characterized by falling prices and negative investor sentiment. This type of market can be a sign of an economic downturn. Diversification. Diversification is the practice of spreading investments across different stocks, sectors and asset classes to minimize risk. Risk and return. Investing in the stock market carries a level of risk, but it also has the potential for higher returns than other investment options, such as bonds or savings accounts. Fundamental analysis. It's the process of evaluating a company's financial performance and future growth prospects to determine its intrinsic value. Technical analysis. It's the process of evaluating a stock's past performance and trading patterns to predict its future price movements. Market order and limit order. Market order is an order to buy or sell a security at the current market price, and limit order is an order to buy or sell a security at a specified price or better. It's important for investors to have a good understanding of these concepts and to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Come join the community now. Subscribe now.